This is Motorola Moto G42, and in today's video we would like to show how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of this device. First of all, you need to, open up the settings. Next, enter the system category, languages and input, on-screen keyboard, Gboard. At the Gboard settings page, open the preferences, and at the preferences section of Gboard settings, simply turn on the number row toggle, and as I will show you, this will essentially mean that you have successfully activated the separate number line. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.